Hey guys, thank you for joining me. I am Dei-Rasi Freckleton from Team Wealth Alliance, and I am here to present to you your back office of the LiveGood opportunity. So if you're a brand new member who have either pre-enrolled or you have enrolled in the LiveGood movement, this is the video for you. I'm just going to be focusing on what is inside the back office in this video. If you're brand new, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and shout out in the comment section where you are from. All right, let's get started. Alright, so right off the bat, you are going to be on a page like this, your login page, and you just follow the instructions, you log in. Also, let me just log out and show you something just in case you may need it. You also have sign-in help right here. So you have help to get you signed in if you are experiencing problems. So we're in the back office and we're only going to be focusing on what is over here on the left hand side. So at the top, some of what is here is also at the very top right up here. So we're going to look first to see a welcome message. Welcome, the Freckleton Wealth Alliance. You're in control. This is the control panel for your LiveGood business. From here you can view your products, your orders, your genealogy, your earnings, and get full access to all the tools and the training that is available to help you share the products and build your team. And you can see you could order products from here, you could shop down there. You can also see your genealogy and also your contact manager, where you could contact the individuals who have pre-enrolled in your organization. And up here, of course, you have genealogy. We have 6 different ranks. You have unranked, which is marked in light green. You have bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. So here's what you're going to realize. At the bronze level, you need at least 2 persons whom you enrolled directly. But here's the thing, I have enrolled more than 2. So why aren't these people showed in it? You're going to learn a little bit more about this afterwards. Now, there are other ways how you could view this. You could also look at it from the matrix list view, and the matrix list view gives us some more insight. This matrix tree view does not indicate who you personally enrolled or what generation anyone is in your enroller tree, because this company has a lot of spillovers. It is likely that I have more volume in my matrix, which I do, than I am seeing in my enroller tree. We also have the power line view. Every person in the world who saw this opportunity and pre-enrolled or enrolled after I did on the 24th of February is 49,424 at the time of this recording. Most people that we see in the power line will not be under us in the matrix. Members are placed in the matrix following their enroller. Spillover, however, is created when our enrollers and the people above us in the matrix enroll people faster than we do. When that happens, some of the people may fall under us in the matrix, as the only place for new members to go is under the ones who are already there. Yes, keep in mind that there are 2 ways that you could build this. You could build slow or you could build fast. To build slow, all you simply do is lock in your position, sit back and wait for those spillovers, because depending on how fast people above us are building, it may take a few days, weeks, or even months to see those spillovers. And that is all right, because you will be paid for every person who spill over to you. Let's move right along. We could also see shop, which is also over here, and the shop is where you do exactly as it says. You have a whole lot of products. Any one of these products, man, any one of these products, they are available to you. Look at this instant youth, for example. Okay, your price for it is $14. We sell it for $24, so you're making about $9 something, $10 on this. over here, you can see your information. If you go there, the information you signed up in, your name, your email address, your contact number, etc., etc. You could also see your order history right here. You could also see my team, which is also what we saw in Genealogy up there, so I'm not going to go into it. I could also see my referrals, the very same thing. However, the referrals show you even those individuals who have not yet gotten their membership. You are going to see every single person, their email, as long as they came through you, you're going to see them, their email addresses, etc., etc., etc. Moving right along, we're able to see, who is your enroller. So my enroller is Hytran. My upline platinum member is Henry Barker Jacobs. And my diamond leader is Jesse Garcia. And you're going to see a little bit about Jesse just a little bit from now. So moving right along, I want to show you the leaderboard because this is powerful. This is the leaderboard and it shows you the top 100 enrollers in the entire world. The very first person is Jeffrey Aman. Now here's what I find interesting, that Jeffrey has enrolled 523 individuals to date. Here is my upline diamond member, Jesse Garcia, and Jesse has to this date enrolled 76 individuals. The top 100th enroller has enrolled 39 people. I want you to just understand how powerful this is. We are on the ground floor of an amazing opportunity. We now have my websites. I'm going to teach you how to generate traffic safely. Not in this video, but I'm going to teach you how to generate traffic safely. So these are your personal sites. The very first one is which is what I was on initially, the very first thing. Then we have the Powerline landing page, and this is where you tell people about the business opportunity. This is the link that you're going to copy in your back office and send to persons who you want to join you. What it looks like, just as it is. There's a video here, it's about 5 minutes 55 seconds that persons can go and they watch, learn a little bit more about LiveGood. They become interested, they put their first name, last name, their email, they reserve their position. They're what we now call a pre-enrollee. And then the last website is your shop. We then have a webinar schedule. There are typically 2 webinars per week, and they have a Zoom webinar at 8 p.m. Thursday, which is 4 hours before the cutoff. All right, this is where you invite all your pre-enrollees to listen to our founders, where they share what makes LiveGood a great opportunity. You may not know what to really tell your pre-enrollees, right? Remember, you already have your pre-enrollees email addresses in your back office. If you go right up to where it had said my referrals, their email addresses are going to be there. Also on Fridays at 12 noon, there is the rank recognition and the training Zoom meeting where you get to have training from some of the top leaders in the company. But for Team Wealth Alliance, we're going to be having other different Zoom meetings that is not a part of LiveGood structure, but we are going to have Zoom meetings and trainings because we want to all be at the top. We have our statistics, or we have 2 views for our statistics. We have our daily, you could also see it from the source statistics. For example, for my entire duration so far, I have had 110 hits, 14 pre-enrollees and 4 upgrades. Even though you only saw that 2 were active for me, it's because the other 2 were done as spillovers. The next thing is that you could see your earnings. Yes, remember, you're paid every week, every Thursday by direct deposit. All right, you could also come here, select your payment option. Your payment option, option 1, the global e-wallet, which is what they provide for your back office that you could use to even also purchase products through LiveGood, etc., etc., etc. Or you could get payment through bank transfer, wire transfer, prepaid card, paper checks if you want a paper check, e-payments, Kiwi, Bitcoin, virtual gift cards, etc. You could also register here for the global e-wallet that they will send you. Register also for your cryptocurrency payment. But there are other other ways with in your earnings. You also could transfer your commissions to a credit wallet, your credit wallet inside here, where you could use your commissions to purchase products for yourself and others who are in your team. And we have another one to look at right now. This one now, you could look at your pay plan description. At LiveGood, your health and wellness will always be #1 focus, and that's why they have eliminated the middleman to make the highest quality products on the planet available to us, the customers and the members, for a fraction of the price of the competitions. All right, on top of the huge savings you get when you purchase the life-changing products, they also give us the opportunity to earn income in 6 different ways. In fact, you can earn up to $2,000 per month without enrolling a single individual. So there are 6 income ways. All right, so the first one, the weekly fast start. Per person who you refer who becomes a member, you get right off the bat $25. I won't get into this, but you could see I'm going to explain this in a separate video. And this is just the weekly start. You also have the matrix commissions. Yes, there, as an unranked person, you could earn, yes, $2,000 per month, all the way up to diamond, where you could earn $16,000 per month. You have matching bonuses, you have retail commissions, you have influencer bonuses. I am going to do a separate video on all of this, so do not worry your head with this just now. But you also have another one where you could view your rank and what your next upcoming rank. Next thing, the only thing left back to show you is the contact. You could contact the company if you want assistance through the email support@livegood.com. They also have a return physical address in Jupiter, Florida. You are in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. So if you are brand new and you are just happening across this video, there will be a link in the description to LiveGood where you can earn, yes, you get $25 off everyone who's coming in, plus the monthly recurring residual passive incomes. All right, so there'll be a link in the description. However, if someone sent you here, go back to that person and ask them for their unique link to get started in this unique and amazing opportunity. I'm Dei-Rasi. Thanks for watching. Walk good.